Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today, I am going to show you how to use syntax editor macros. Okay, let's see. Into your instance, to use syntax editor macros, go to any script console. For example, business rules. Okay, type business rules. And if you want to create a new business rules on any table, okay, not only like incident problem, it's like on any table. If you want to create a new business rule, click on new business rule. Okay, so once it open, okay, click on advanced. So in the advanced tab, so if you want to use syntax editor macros, for example, if you type far and hit tab button, okay, then automatically you will get first syntax. Okay, the same way, if you want to use a glide record, okay, type var gr and hit tab. Okay, you need to write like var gr plus tab button. Okay, then only syntax. Okay, syntax editor macros will open. Okay, so for example, if you want to write var gr or, okay, var gr or, so if you write var gr, then it will open add query. Var gr or, then it will open add query and add or condition query. So how it opens, for example, how it brings the script, from where it will bring the script. So let's see, we have in the navigator type syntax. Okay, there is a syntax editor macros. Open it. So by out of the box, you have like 1, 2, 3, 6 are there. Okay, if you open var gr, so the name is like var gr applications global. Okay, comments is like you can add any comments, and text is like it is added like this. Okay, var gr new glide record of $0, a name value. Okay, gr dot query or gr dot next. Okay, anything like that. Okay, so let's create a new function. Like click on new and like var inc, something like var inc we will create, and we will write the same script, like copy this one and add table called incident table. Okay, and save it or submit it. Okay, var inc. So go to the business rule, refresh it, click on advanced, go to advanced tab and type var inc and hit tab button. So it will come like uh, the script which you added in the text, it will appear in the business rule, like any scripting console. Okay, that is how you need to use syntax editor macros. Okay, so if you have some script, okay, which you are using for repeatedly in your organizations or in your customer instance or anywhere. Okay, you can write in editor macro, and you can call that macro by calling the name and hitting the tab button. Okay, that's all. That's it. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.